My name is Joanna Jordan. Here to further buttress on the topic that says plant-based diet is more healthier than the meat-based diet. But there is no dull moment with me. I'm always a vibe. For this challenge,
the house snail for the week is Joanna. The winner of the first arena game for the season is Joanna.
I always say friends or we're not friends. I would like to tell myself, oh yeah, of little faith, we have found a faithful friend whose name is Faith. We're back! And as my head is like, it's my brain to increase. I did not insult you. All I said was, Auntie, get out. Ah, shut up, let me talk.